and now I'm in one of popular tourism destination in Ambon City, Maluku Province, Indonesia. This beach is called Natsepa Beach. Natsepa Beach is one of the beautiful beaches located in the village of Suli, Central Maluku. Natsepa Beach has one thing that makes it more beautiful. It is incomplete if you visit Ambon without enjoying the beauty of this beach. To get to this beach, it's quite easy. You can use public transportation for 5,000 rupiah per person from the big terminal in Ambon City to Suli village. Just about 30 minutes. Yeah. But it will be easier and faster if you use a private or rental vehicle such as a car or a motorcycle, because Natsepa Beach is close to the center of Ambon City. About 18 kilometers, I think. And the beach is known for its beautiful natural scenery, offering stretches of white sand and the clear turquoise sea water. The tranquil beach atmosphere makes it more beautiful for you to enjoy the perfect time, relaxing time on the beach. One of the things that makes Natsepa Beach iconic is its rujak culinary. Rujak is a mix of fresh cut tropical fruits served with a sweet and spicy sauce made from peanut and brown sugar. Rujak is famous in Natsepa because the brown sugar used is believed have a different taste from what is usually found. And for your information, guys, to enter the location of the Natsepa Beach, you will be charged a very affordable ticket. Just about 5,000 rupiah per person, and you will enjoy this relaxing, beautiful view. And the facilities are parking lots, paid restroom, and there are also shops that sell a variety of fresh seafood and rujak, of course. So, if you are in Ambon City, take a moment to step onto this white sandy beach and enjoying this beautiful beach. The peaceful coastal is waiting for you to enjoy. See you!